Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel 𝖊𝖊𝖘𝖙. Today I came with another video on OnePlus 7T. Today I'm going to show you all the camera settings of this smartphone, OnePlus 7T. Okay, let's get started, but before that please remember to click the subscribe button down there and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Watch till the end. If you have anything to ask, please comment in the comment section. Right, let's get started. Right, so this is the latest OnePlus 7T phone. You can see the round shape camera with a little tiny camera bump you can see, and these are the some side views. Right, you can see the physical button and power button here, volume button up and down, type C, charging port, and the SIM trays are available here. Speakers are available in the front side. Right, let's unlock. It's already unlocked. I'm going to remove unnecessary notifications. Okay, right, let's get started with the camera setting, camera app. I have turned on the camera, and here's the video mode. You can see three settings available. One is close up, other one is first one is 2x, 1x, and wide angle. Right, I will show you few video samples at the end of this video. Okay, right, so just watch till the end. And in the video mode you can see super stable mode, and you can change the right 1080p 4K record, 4K 60 frames per second, 1080p 60 frames per second in the video mode. Right, you can of course turn on the selfie mode. Right, and I'm not going to turn on the selfie mode here. And when we go to the photo, you can see number of features are available. Same things, 2x, 1x, and wide angle here, and HDR mode, and the super close-up shots, super macro shots you can take. I will show you some quick snaps that I have collected. Right, so watch till the end, and you can set the timer here. Those are the general things, and you can change the view. Right, in this manner you can full screen camera. Look something interesting. And let's move to the portrait. You can see only two options, 2% and 1%, to show the depth effect, bokeh effect, and the Nightscape mode is available for you, 4:3, and slow motion. You can see 720p and 480 frames per second there. Of course you can change it into 1080p 240 frames per second. You can shoot slow motion videos, and of course time-lapse feature is available under the 1080p and 720p. And if you are a photographer, if you have a good knowledge in photography, this feature is for you. And pro mode, you can see the ISO, white black, and aperture, and shutter speed, and many other things. You can shoot in RAW mode also. Here you can see JPEG 48 megapixel, and RAW mode is available. Histogram is showing there, and balance is okay, and the panoramic mode, the panoramic mode. So those are the things that this camera setting has. Right, let's go to the settings. In the photo mode, you can see what are the things. Right, let's go to the setting. You can see these things: custom modes, ultra wide lens correction. Actually I don't know that what they are correcting. Manual HDR control is in hand, smart content detection, store location data, shutter sound, quick snap, quick chapter, quick capture, shot on OnePlus watermark, mirrored photo, histogram, horizontal reference lines. And those are the things in the camera mode settings. In the video mode setting, nothing much, same thing. Right, okay, that's all I wanted to show you. This is a really amazing smartphone. Okay, if you watched my last video which explains all the kind of drawbacks in this smartphone. Please check the description section for the link if you want. Please click the card showing here. And okay, that's all for today. I will be back with another video for you soon on this regard. Okay, till then, goodbye and take care.